Want to remove the background from your videos using CapCut? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to do it easily. So, let's get in. Launch your CapCut. Now click on the option New Project. Select the video in which you want to remove the background. Once you have selected it, now click on the option Edit given at the bottom. Now here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Remove Busy. Now you're gonna get several options over here: auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. Selecting the option auto removal, the background will be automatically removed. You can see that. Likewise, clicking on the option custom removal, you will need to select the part that you don't want to remove. Use the brush. Select the part that you don't want to remove. Once you have selected it, click on this icon. With that, the object will be there, but the background will be removed. You can see that. So this is how you can easily remove the video background in CapCut. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.